Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a super fun math quest. Alright, let's start this division adventure. We look at the first digit of 412, which is 4. We're going to use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0, easy peasy. You're doing amazing, that's the first part done. Let's move on to the next digit, get ready. Here we go with the next digit, we bring down the ones. Now we have a 1, we need to see how many times 2 fits into 1. Since 2 is bigger than 1, it fits 0 times, that's okay. Let's multiply 0 times 2 is 0, we write down 0. Subtracting 0 from 1 leaves us with 1, we're on a roll. You've got this, just a little more to go. Time to bring down the next digit and finish strong. Last step, we bring down the 2 and now we have 12. We combine the remainder 1 with the next digit 2 to make 12. How many times does 2 go into 12? It's 6 times. Let's check 6 times 2 equals 12 exactly. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0, we did it. Woohoo, you solved the whole problem, high fives. We're all done, look at that fantastic results. So 412 divided by 2 is 206. Great job, everyone. We just tackled a long division problem together, breaking it down step by step. Remember, every division problem can be conquered with a little patience and practice. That's all for this math adventure. Keep practicing and remember to check out more awesome videos on Let's Stud.